Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Me, say hi. Say hi. We are here at a restaurant. We're gonna eat some good food.
Hi! We're gonna use some good food.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I woke up. I know we look tired.
I'm not tired.
Oh, you're not tired. Alright, see you guys inside. Bye-bye. Well, metsipore ragavaye atun ngang metzeneri. I put it with sin. Moga sasubi sushi. Fuduk soup. Wow. You were already for salt. Nga pure ako mea paseka pasiro sauce. Reno te kamara esa ro fitikuku iwe. Apata ese fato teriki. Nge osapsipa. We pure with simoga. With ceramut.
Hey, look at me, Mom.
Fakkoramat. Häivessiri vet. Itä väga sakka para pluttiri ei voga. Puve. Esse koffe på fatats. Nge. Jag så kurukkalan kaffe para sorapa. Och ruero se pure kato. Färiten. Ei atun. Nga se voke kurage atsok half of my face. Puerong. Nge esop ese puerong. Ikke pupura ese sen. Mang elba upload na te video. Nge seria sorapa amaturaratski. Iwe ve anom nore we force me. Sapa fagafang. Ginger. We seramut kiwa warukan. Ngajak arawotawe warung met. Sebetulnya kado rewo. Ngira pegiri ron na te video. Yoga me wesera sauce ngewoga seaweed futuk rice pametke rice to chicken rice ewe garai tongiri tseneri Asa siri tena sipure tsakura fetin fetin Opa paru reika ve ngawanku fospat Wesen food is life nore fason Eatun asirri Parats deliverats Yase asirri roredi difen sarawriego me fisu Rugarrueve Ewesia kame Wesitsak me förriatsagang Sasairi eva moga Pusipore kapa martsurikits Esa kukot Nge paretspu ikakatsak nororivom O akatuturu seriere rice Kakatsak nororivom Kave tutu Kanut Watarara susi Akammat susurur Iwe veira Osaka patsi bakrere ei moga
Nakaritsa karawotave post po cafe pora sorapa ngawakawessera soso asos ngewesse tak evokamete karure wakatatakir wakatseni Mugaratsa konan waekkatsi yöverikkara waatsitsippu wairokkyyn otsiatsira futuk nuonatsin Mei fokkunnan päin raissipura rais Vessesen Atsoutsoun Nonnukat Fokkummagai vessivät Ameritsa käkkätserung noravai Töruavai Pommuga Rari vasasuvi Report you, okay? January's eating her food. Eat January. Yes, stress everything he wanted it to. Where's your fork?
I don't know. Can you give me?
Wait, Carol.
I want.
Mira. Ahora es tu superera.
Well,
Rabata que sa play with that tomorrow. That's good.
I wasn't playing with things.
You hay que quedar tapa. Good. It's good. Tell the vlog how good it is.
Wonderful.
Huh?
Wonderful.
Wonderful.
I like a lot of cherries.
Mario tureva kanniwin. Gerim. Se was se reading bureau.
Have here. We just got home and this is January's toys. We got it from Walmart. Right, January?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hey, where's the...
Right? What is right?
good job, Jenny. The slide goes here. No, it goes here. Okay. Wow, it looks pretty. Try move. Take a skid. Oh, yay, Chelsea. Yay, that Chelsea. Hey, boy. Can you put her on? See Chelsea. Can you put her on? Okay. We actually can put her shoes on. Mom, put that camera here. Mom, put them here. No, I'm just gonna hold it. No. So you can play with your doll. No, you're gonna play with me. That's why you got to put the camera here. And then, hey, it's a surprise. I will get it. But I cannot reach it. I will go ask a dollar. I will go ask my friend and then Wally. It's too heavy. Who's too heavy? This LOL. Pretend, okay? Okay. Dada! You ready? I'm gonna put her on the slide. 1, 2, 3, go. Woo! How about LOL? Okay. Fine. Big doll or big one. She's so cute. Can you put her shirt on? Her shirt, okay. Yes, her shirt. You put her shirt on? Okay. It's my LOL shirt. 1, 2, 3.
Wait here.
Pretend,
Just gonna chill here.
pretend he's
doing
at
her
her
homework.
school.
And then her friend is gonna come and surprise her.
Finish! Guys, you guys. Birthday celebrate! I will go check out the Bernies. If Chelsea's doing good. I will put off my birthday hat on. It's not my birthday. Chelsea! I'm sending a surprise for you. Mom! Mom, you got... Oh. Chelsea fell.
Katos videon tättu pivots na. Wow. Hi, thank you guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Give this video big thumbs up if only you like this video. Vera osa patsi pang siba patsu in the next video. Bye bye.